Okay, now I am going to discuss the questions. You study how you write the second part paper answers correctly. There are two parts, A and B. The first part, look at remained the lesson lossy and construction, and by using pair of compasses, centimeters, millimeters, straight edge, and showing constructions lines clearly. There are 5 parts given. First part, look at construct straight line segment AB, not draw, construct, right? You read carefully, construct. How you construct the straight line AB with 8 centimeters? We have to take the pair of compass, ruler, also we have to take. First you draw the straight line. Normal straight line you have to draw like that. Then you mark the point, one point you mark here, right? I will write it as A. Then what is the length of AB? 8 centimeters. No, now you have to take 8 centimeters to your pair of compass, right? You have to measure the 8 centimeters. Where are the 8 centimeters? Here. Then you keep the metal point at A, draw an arc. That's the point B. After you complete the construction part, you have to write the data. Data mean what? AB 8 centimeters. Right? If you did not write the 8 centimeters, it is not complete, the answer. Right? So you have write here 8 centimeters. If you did this part clearly, you can get 1 mark. Right? You check your answer. If you did this one correctly, you can get 1 marks, right? Meaning 1 mark kila දාගන්න හරිනම් ඒක. Then second part, look at mark point C. You have to mark point C where? Such that ABC equal 30 degrees. What is the vertex of this angle? B. So you have to construct 30 degrees where? At B. Some students, I think, construct at A. Right? It is incorrect. You have to construct at B. Do you remember how we can construct the 30 degrees? First, you have to construct 60 degrees. Then you have to bisect it. Okay, I will do this one using the different color. That's 60 degrees. You have to keep the metal point at B. Then draw an arc without change the distance of metal point compass. You keep the metal point here and intersect the previous arc like this. This angle is 60 degrees, but we want to construct 30, no? We have to bisect this one, right? How you bisect this? You have to keep the metal point here and here, right? Any distance you can take for the compass. Draw an arc. Again, you keep the metal point here and intersect the previous arc. Okay, then this intersecting point and B vertex you have to join. This angle is 30 degrees. You have to write it, okay? 30 degrees. Where you have to keep the point C? This position, this position, this position, here. Which position? I don't know. Still, we can't think that position. Correctly, how you can find the C? AC equal 8 centimeters. Okay, AC equal 8 centimeters. Look at how you get the correctly position of the AC. You have to take 8 centimeters to your compass. Right? You measure 8 centimeters to your compass. That's the 8 centimeter. What is the length? AC, no? So you have to keep the metal point at A. C point should be lies on this green color line, no? Right? So what is the position correctly? How you find it? That position. This intersecting point you have to find. That's the intersecting point. We have to produce this line. It is not suitable length. That's the correct position of C. Right? That's the point C. We have to complete the triangle. Mark point C such that only you have to mark the point. Okay, it is enough. Then this line I can join A and C. I can join like this. This AC length should be 8 centimeters. Okay, this length should be 8 centimeters. Are you clear how you find the point C? Do you have some problems? Oh, ඒක වැරදි නේද?
1 mark දෙනකොට
did you construct 30 degrees?
Yes, sir.
Another 1 mark you can get. How you can get the second part marks? This 30 degrees you can get 1 mark, and this 8 centimeters you can get another mark, 2 marks. Okay, that's the second part I did. එහෙනම් මේ questions වලින් තේරුම් ගන්න අපිට මොන වගේ questions ද කියලා ලැබෙන්නේ, right? පැහැදිලිද? කොහොමද අපි මේවා හොයන්නේ කියන එක, right? Then third part, construct perpendicular bisector of AC. Construct perpendicular bisector of AC. Do you remember how we find the perpendicular bisector? That's the AC length, where you have to keep the metal point. You have to keep at A and at C, right? First, you have to keep at A. You have to take the distance normally greater than half of this length. Either side you have to draw 2 arcs. Then again, without changing the distance, you have to keep the metal point at C and intersect previous arcs. This one not intersected. Also, I will take again metal point here. That's the 2 points intersecting point. Then you have to join these 2 points. That's the perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, quickly you have to draw. You have to construct quickly.
සර්ගේ පොසිෂන් එක චේන්ජ් වෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැද්ද?
Position එක change වුණාට කියන්නේ
ඒ ලයින් එක
බෑ. දැන් ඔයා AC එක හරියට construct කරේ නැත්නම් එතනින් එහාට ඔක්කොම වැරදි. right? එතකොට AC වැරදුනානේ නේද? එතකොට AC වැරදි කියන්නේ අපිට දීපු එක නෙවෙයි අපි construct කරලා තියෙන්නේ. right? අර දැන් අපිට වෙන කොහේ හරි AC line එක ඇඳලා ඒකේ perpendicular bisectors ගත්තට marks හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. right? Step by step you have to do. Because this one is a full question. Okay. Right. That's the third part. You can get another 2 marks for this perpendicular bisector. Then look at construct the angle bisector of ACB angle. Angle bisector of ACB angle. Where's the ACB? This angle, no? This angle bisector you have to construct. If your second part is incorrect, this part also incorrect, no? Why? C point you mark the wrong position. Now we have to construct the angle bisector of this angle. Look at how we do that one. We have to keep the metal point at C, then you keep the distance, then the 2 positions you have to intersect like this arc, right? These 2 arms intersect this position and this position. Then you can take any distance of your compass, keep the metal point here, then you draw an arc, again keep the metal point here, you intersect the previous arc. Then this intersecting point and vertex C you have to join. That's the angle bisector. Right? If you did not do this one, or if your answers are incorrect, quickly. Now step by step you have to do.
Sir,
Yes.
how many marks got me, sir?
For which question? The first one.
This question, sir.
After the question, you look at your answer marks. $16 marks you can get, okay, as the full marks. Okay, that's the angle bisector. That means 4th part. Another 2 marks you can get. Then look at the last part. Name the intersection point of above 2 bisectors as P. Above 2 bisectors mean 3rd part and 4th part, no? Perpendicular bisector of AC and angle bisector of ACB angle. These 2 bisectors meeting point, intersecting point, you have to mark as P. That's the meeting point, no? That's the angle bisector. This one is the perpendicular bisector. That's the meeting point. This point you have to name as P. Another 1 mark you can get for that part. That's the P. And construct the locus of the point moving 4 centimeters from point P. Do you remember there are 4 locus? About 4 locus we discussed. What is this? Construct the locus of the point moving 4 centimeters from point P. What is the locus? Circle, perpendicular bisector, parallel line, angle bisector. What is the locus of this one? Can you think? What is the locus? Give the answer. What is the locus?
First locus.
First locus, that means circle, no? Point moving point. 4 centimeter from a fixed point. First locus, no? What? Circle. What is the center? P. Radius 4 centimeters. So you have to take 4 centimeters of your compass. Right. You have to take 4 centimeters. That's the 4 centimeters. Then you have to keep the metal point at P. Right. That's the metal point at P. Then you draw a circle. That's the construction. Okay. That's a full answer of the first question, A part. 10 marks you can get for this part. 10 marks out of 100. How many marks you got out of 10?